Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is basic EQing of bass guitar. So, first of all, let's have a listen to the relationship between the kick drum and bass guitar. Now let's use low pass filter to remove unwanted high end. Now let's use high pass filter to remove unwanted low end. Now let's use bell EQ to balance the mids on our bass guitar. So now let's try to add some low end to our bass guitar. And finally, let's adjust EQ attack. Now let's listen to our bass guitar in our drums mix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you, and see you next time.